Hello. A mistake. Don't be afraid of making mistake. Don't be afraid of making mistake. Time. Is this your first time in Vietnam? Is this your first time in Vietnam? Is this your first time in Vietnam? I enjoy. I really enjoy talking to you. I really enjoy talking to you. Oh, hope. I hope to see you again. I hope to see you again. Outstanding. You're an outstanding teacher. You're an outstanding teacher. Oh, should. You should read as many books as possible. You should read as many books as possible. Ooh, food. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Ear, clear. It's very important to have clear pronunciation. It's very important to have clear pronunciation. Care. We should all care the environment. We should all care about the environment. Sure. I'm sure you will enjoy it. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Sorry to bother you. Charming. You have a charming smile. You have a charming smile. Always say please and thank you. Always say please and thank you. Are important. It's important to practice English every day. It's important to practice English every day. Wonderful. My mother is a wonderful teacher. My mother is a wonderful teacher. Perfect. He speaks perfect English. He speaks perfect English. Remember to call your mother. Remember to call your mother. Together, America and Vietnam should always work together. America and Vietnam should always work together. Please speak English with me. Please speak English with me. Difficult. It's not difficult to speak English. It's not difficult to speak English. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect.